Somea first.
The Bible says, but if you fear to go down to the camp with Pam your servant.
Yes. 11.
And you shall hear what they say, and afterward your hand shall be tempted to go down against the camp. Then he went down with Pam his servant to the outpost of the men that were in the camp.
What?
10. And the Midians and the
Amalekites
and all the people of the east lay along the valley like locusts for multitude, and their camels were without number.
Okay, asante. Wacha niwaambie moja. Wale Midian na Amalekites, there is nobody who touched them. Hakuna mwenye aliwagusa. Waliona tu ile jeshi ya watu 300 peke yake, wakaanguka chini kama nini? Kama rokas, kama buru, kama mahindi. Mzaona wakati gani imepita, kienda kwa spidi ya juu, kuna vitu